Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Are you ready? So from Haha Land, we have this pounds a ball and car ramp. So let's get all the pieces out. And there's lots of pieces. It just keeps on coming. Okay. So I guess we got to put this together. Let's look for the instruction manual. Oh, there's the instructions on the back. Okay, so let's take this part first. I'm gonna get my Leatherman out. So yeah. Like we're taking this piece, and it looks like it fits right on here. So I'll push that down and together. Okay, so I did a little bit of a squeeze on there, and that puts that piece together. So second part is going to be this, and it looks like we are going to have the orientation like this. Then we get the two sides. Okay, so to put this piece together, you're basically hang on, let me put it together. Put a little bit of an angle this way, and then kind of like tilt it up, and you'll get it right into that groove. So it should look something like this. And then part 3, you can see the cutouts here at the bottom. And then we are going to line that up like this. And then that goes in like so. Then you'll kind of feel it snap into place. And then this is going to, you got the top part. And then this top part goes, you'll see the notches and cut out here. And then that will line up. And then you have some holes on the back that you're lining up as well. Right here. I know it's exciting. We're almost there. Okay, on this you have to make sure that you kind of angle and have these straight on. And then when you have it like this, it's going to kind of sit kind of weird. And then I basically just kind of gave it a little bit of a push down and a snap, and everything went into place. So that's nice and solid. And then next steps are going to be on this side. So we're going to be inserting this here. So that fits over this hole. So, like that. Right? We're getting to that point. Then next is going to be the yellow one. Which, yeah, yellow. And that goes on an angle. Like this, I believe. Right? Because then that all falls down. So it goes like that. Last but not least, the blue piece. That will go up here. Oh, it goes on the front. I think this goes on the front. Okay. So then that lines up over here. Thank you. Okay, so that kind of lines up like that. So when these go down, you get that kind of like that going on. Then we go to the front. Okay, so I need to think I need. This one goes like. No. Where's this one go? Does that go like that? Blue. Then yellow. Yellow. Red. Green. I think that works that way. Okay, so this is configuration on this. So line them up. There's a little bit of a notch in there. And then push that together. Okay, here. Start from up here. Let that go up from up here. Ready? Pretty awesome. We normally don't let him sit on the table, but for this video and purposes, we're going to do that. And then, oh, it's got this little guy. Here. A little penguin guy. Okay. And then here, watch. And this is what you do. Ready? I know, pretty amazing. Watch. Ready? Mm-hmm. You take the hammer. Go ahead, hit it. Here. Look how you do. Pretty awesome. And then how about this side? The car. Do the car. Ready? Yeah, you do. Right, here. Start from here. There you go. Here, try this one. Start from here. Ready? Here, you try from here. Ready? Go ahead. All right. Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.